Villa Bhavan's tradition, our little stars will now escort him into the auditorium amidst the sacred chanting of Vedic slokas. As a token of our heartfelt gratitude, we now present the green bowl, which is a symbol of life, harmony and togetherness. We have our little stars, Divit Jhalani and Evika Jain, to present this gesture of freshness to our esteemed chief guest, Sri Rajiv Jain Sir, Chairman Bhavan's Jaipur Kendra. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our today's chief guest, Sri Rajiv Jain Sir.
पीछे जगह है सर, नहीं तो स्टेज पे बैठेंगे। आओ आओ सारे यार एक साथ आजो 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 सर।
To give a luminous start to this grand celebration, we request our esteemed chief guest to grace the stage and light the holy lamp. As the gentle flame rises, may it inspire wisdom, unity and positivity in all our hearts. Adding charm to this auspicious moment, the Balwari choir will present a melodious prayer, creating a serene and joyful atmosphere. And the lyrics are displayed on the screen, and the audience is free to join the little ones in singing the prayer.
Surya
van to kindly grace the stage and deliver the welcome address in honor of our chief guest.
Shri Rajiv Jain sir, esteemed member of the advisory committee, Shri Rajendra Bhanawat sir, Director Bhavan's Jaipur Kendra, Shri R.C. Jain sir, Principal Vidyashram Pratapnagar, Srimati Ajayashri Sharma ma'am, Assistant Coordinator Suruchi Kendra, Srimati Sonali Seni ma'am, distinguished guests and their parents. On behalf of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Balwadi family, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. It is indeed a moment of great honor and privilege for us to have amongst us our esteemed chief guest, Shri Rajiv Jain sir, Chairman, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Jaipur Kendra. Sir has served Bhavan's Jaipur Kendra as the Vice Chairman for more than a decade and now adorns this esteemed position of Chairman, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Jaipur Kendra. Sir is a versatile and dynamic personality with a futuristic vision and a refined aesthetic sense. He has held several prestigious positions in both national and international organizations. He has served as a member of the National Skill Development Council of India, Vice Chairman of the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce, and the Chairman of CII Rajasthan. He was also the Chairman of the Gems and Jewelry Export Promotion Council of India. Currently, he serves as the Vice President of the Rajasthan Chamber of Commerce and Honorary Secretary of the very prestigious Jaipur Jewelry Show. Sir, we are confident that under your guidance and visionary leadership, Bhavan's Jaipur Kendra will continue to scale greater heights in every sphere. May I request everyone present here to please join me in extending a very warm welcome and heartfelt gratitude to Shri Rajiv Jain sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this year marks a very special milestone for all of us as Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Balwadi proudly celebrates 25 glorious years of nurturing environments. Over the years, Balwadi has been a place where childhood is cherished, where learning begins with curiosity, exploration, laughter, and joyful discovery. It is a place where little ones lovingly cuddle in the laps of their teachers, seeing in them nothing less than their own mothers. Such a beautiful journey of 25 years would not have been possible without the unstinted support and trust of our parent community. Bhavan's Balwadi stands where it does today because of your faith and belief in us. And for that, we remain deeply grateful. Coming to today's function, it is a culmination of the dedication and hard work of nearly 380 students who will be performing live on stage this evening. For them, this is not merely a performance, but a valuable learning experience. Through this journey, they have learned to be more attentive, more responsible, not only for themselves, but even for their friends. It was truly a delight to watch them during rehearsals, laughing, nudging, pushing and pulling each other gently to come and be at the right position. In the process, they have certainly emerged as more confident, disciplined individuals. A very special mention for our 32 young, super confident students from UKG who will take on the role of live compares in today's program. Allow me to share a few lines that beautifully encapsulates the essence of our annual day theme, खजानों का पिटारा. ये पिटारा किसी अलमारी में नहीं रखा, ये हर बच्चे के दिल में बसता है. हम बड़े होकर अक्सर इसे खोलना भूल जाते हैं. काश आज हम इस पिटारे को फिर से खोल सकें. थोड़ा सा बचपन, थोड़ी सी सच्ची खुशी, कुछ रंग और कुछ सपने अपने हिस्से के फिर से जी सकें. Dear parents, today's performances, our children invite you to open that magical treasure chest once again. A treasure filled with innocence, imagination, colors, happiness and dreams. Let us celebrate and appreciate their laughter, their confidence and their innocence. On that note, I invite you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy the wonderful performances prepared by our little stars. And I would like to conclude with a thought. Every day, in 100 small ways, our children ask, "Do you hear me? Do you see me? Do I matter?" Their behavior often reflects our response. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us always give the utmost importance to a child's feelings. I wish you all a delightful evening and happy viewing. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request our revered chief guest, Shri Rajiv Jain sir, Chairman Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram Jaipur Kendra, to kindly grace the stage and bless this gathering with his inspiring words. Sir, your guidance has always been our greatest strength. Thank you, ma'am. I now request our revered chief guest, Shri Rajiv Jain sir, Chairman Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram Jaipur Kendra, to kindly grace the stage and bless this gathering with his inspiring words. Sir, your guidance has always been our greatest strength. Please give a huge round of applause.
A very good evening, everyone present here. Respected Banavat sir, who is a member of our advisory board, R.C. Jain sir, Principal of Pratap Nagar, Anuji, respected parents, and my dear students. I feel very awkward when I've been addressed as chief guest because I'm part and parcel of the school. So, मेरे साथ बड़ा असहज लग रहा था मुझे when you were calling me chief guest. It's truly a pleasure this evening. I stand before you not only in the capacity of chief guest, but also as the chairman of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra. Being here today fills me with both pride and deep sense of responsibility. Pride because we are celebrating this 25th annual day of Balwadi, and responsibility because the foundation we lay in these early years shapes the future of our children and ultimately the future of our society. Early childhood is perhaps the most sensitive and significant phase of human development. At this stage, every experience, every interaction, and every gesture contributes to a shaping child's personality, confidence, and curiosity as well. The growth journey of these little ones require immense care, understanding, and thoughtfulness in guidance. At Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Jaipur Kendra, as an educational institute with a clear sense of purpose, we remain committed in providing holistic education and meaningful learning experience for our children. We have taken few important steps in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. We have collaborated with the leading ed-tech organization called Nature Nurture. This is to develop and implement a well-researched and thoughtful design curriculum for our Balwadi students. This curriculum is signed with modern education practices and will help us continuously evolve and create learning experience and prepare our students to emerge as confident, intelligent, and compassionate individuals. The second initiative which we have taken is to focus on physical development of our children. We have introduced an exclusive sports curriculum specially designed for early childhood. This program will help toddlers develop stamina, strengthen their muscles, and build overall physical fitness. At the same time, it will nurture important values and such as teamwork, discipline, and resilience. I am very happy to share that a new Balwadi campus within this campus is coming up with a state-of-art infrastructure located adjacent to our sports club. This campus will not merely be a building, it will be a vibrant learning space where children will have opportunities to explore nature, nurture their curiosity, express themselves freely and discover unique potential. It will encourage them to observe, question, participate and perform, making learning a joyful and meaningful experience. We will very soon open the doors of this beautiful new Balwadi campus for the little learners. I request you all, जब आप यहाँ से बाहर जाएं, तो बाहर दो नई बिल्डिंग के प्रारूप रखे हुए हैं. You can see them. Dear parents, I would like to share some small thoughts with you as well. In today's fast-paced world, we often focus on how quickly our children learn to read, write and count. But the true goal of education is these early years in much deeper. What matters most is that our children grow up to curious learners, kind human beings, confident individuals and happy souls. Let us give them to explore, space and imagine and encouragement to express themselves. Let us celebrate their small achievements and support them potentially through their learning journey. When parents and educators work together with shared vision and mutual trust, children flourish in most beautiful ways. Before I conclude, I would like to take the opportunity to congratulate the entire team of Bhavan's Balwadi for completing this 25 years. They have been dedicated service in the field of pre-primary education. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of our teacher and the entire Balwadi staff who have worked tirelessly to create such meaningful experience for our children. As you are also eagerly waiting, I am also eagerly waiting for this Pitara to open. Thank you so much for this function you have organized, and I wish all the best to all the students. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and for sharing such valuable thoughts with us. Sir, with your announcement about the new Balwadi block, we are certain that all parents are eagerly looking forward to seeing this wonderful vision come to life. Ladies and gentlemen, a 3D model of the upcoming Balwadi building has been displayed outside the auditorium office. We warmly invite you to have a look at it after the program. As a token of our gratitude and respect, we now request our revered Director Sir, Shri R.C. Jain ji, to join us on the stage and present a gesture of present a small memento to our esteemed Chief Guest, Shri Rajiv Jain Sir, as a small gesture of appreciation for gracing this occasion and inspiring us with his presence. Sharma, Arsh Rastogi and Shubhika Saha to express our gratitude on behalf of the entire Balwadi family.
A very good evening, one and all. We little Bumnites stand proud and all with happy faces, shining bright. We welcome you all to our show tonight. Before our grand show starts today, a thank you to our chief guest. We say thank you, sir, for being here. Your kind presence makes us very happy and cheer. Thank you to our management, so kind. We promise that we are here to rise and shine. Thank you, Principal Ma'am and teachers. You show us the light. You hold our hands and guide us. Every day we wait for a magical touch, and that's the reason we love Balwadi so much. Thank you, parents, for love and care. We are sure you will enjoy and feel glad to be here. Last but not the least, a big thank you today to our didis and bhaiyas in every way to help us always. Big and small, we thank you, we love you, one and all. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our Kitara opens. Let the fun roll in. Sit back, relax, enjoy the display. Our grand show begins. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! पहचाना है समाज को, जानी पहचानी सी लगती है ना? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही। ये प्यारी सी आवाज आपके फेवरेट स्मार्टफोन की, जिसे चाहते हैं आप सबसे ज्यादा, जान है वो आपकी। हर पल हर दिन वह रहता है आपके साथ, बिना उसके सुना लगता है आपको अपना संसार। एक नन्ही रिक्वेस्ट हम बच्चों की सुन लीजिए, अपने और जिगर के टुकड़े को थोड़ा आराम करने दीजिए। बस कुछ घंटे एंजॉय कीजिए हमारी रॉकिंग परफॉर्मेंस। प्लीज स्विच ऑफ कीजिए अपना मोबाइल और दीजिए हमें इम्पोर्टेंस। सच मानिए, हम ही नहीं, ये फोन भी खुश हो जाएगा। बेस्ट मिलेगा इसको, हमारा शो हिट हो जाएगा। हिलाया डुलाया अपना पिटारा, इसमें छुपा है खजाना प्यारा। आओ आओ चलो देखिए जरा, पहली पोटली से निकला है क्या? पहली पोटली में है आस्था का खजाना। हमको माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद है छुपाना। विश्वास, ताकत, श्रद्धा पार, इनको माने सारी दुनिया बार बार। माँ दुर्गा का आशीष मिले, सुरक्षा शक्ति हर पल रहे, इनके वरदान से जीवन धन्य, भक्ति से होता हर मन प्रसन्न। नाम लेकर इनका करते हैं हम कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत। सिंह वाहिनी लेते त्रिशूल पधारो हमारे ऑडिटोरियम में आज। तो आइए यूकेजी ई के बच्चों के संग वंदन करें माँ दुर्गा का हम, होकर भक्ति में मगन।
Bolo Durga
बेटा, पहली पोटली से है निकला क्या? ये है प्यारा सा बचपन, मीठी बातें बोलना समझ, हंसी ठहाके मौज और मस्ती, बारिश में कागज की कश्ती। तितली चंदा सूरज तारे बचपन को है सबसे प्यारे। पल में रूठना, पल में मनाना, सारी दुनिया को समझे अपना। और बचपन की इस प्यारी सी पोटली को खोलने आ रहे हैं हमारे यंगेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स ऑफ नर्सरी क्लास।
Jumping. Skipping, 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 skipping. Skipping, 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 skipping. Now dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Spinning, 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 spinning. Hopping, 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 hopping. Now hopping, 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 hopping. Now dance, 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 dance. Oh, dance, 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 dance. Oh.
छोटे अरमान, छोटी छोटी आशाएं हैं, पंछी बनके उड़ते रहते हैं, चांद तारे जेब में है, छोटी छोटी मुट्ठियों में बंद है खुशियाँ, छोटी सी दुनिया हम हैं दिलों के शहज़ादे। तितली के परों पे झिलमिल सी ये किरणें जीवन के रंग लिख जाती हैं। तितली के परों पे झिलमिल सी ये किरणें जीवन के रंग लिख जाती हैं। हम तो इनको चुनते रहते हैं, चांद तारे जेब में है, छोटी छोटी मुट्ठियों में बंद है खुशियाँ, छोटी सी दुनिया हम हैं दिलों के शहज़ादे। ना 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 ना
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark.
Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's explore. Do 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 do. Let's explore. Do 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 do. Let's explore. Do 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 do. Let's explore. Look, an octopus. Do 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 do. Octopus. Do 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 do. Octopus. Do 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 do. Octopus. And a clapping seal. Do 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 do. Clapping seal. Do 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 do. Clapping seal. Do 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 do. Clapping seal. There's a jellyfish. Do 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 do. Jellyfish. Do 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 do. Jellyfish. Do 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 do. Jellyfish. Hey! Babies, babies, baby sharks. Babies, babies, baby sharks. Babies, babies, baby sharks. Little, little baby sharks. Babies, babies, baby sharks. Babies, babies, baby sharks. Babies, babies, baby sharks. Little, little baby sharks. See my fin, do 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 do. See my fin, do 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 do. See my fin, do 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 do. See my fin. It's the end. Do 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 do. It's the end. Do 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 do. It's the end. Do 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 do. It's the end. Do 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 do. It's the end. Do 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 do. It's the end. Do 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 do. It's the end. Do 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 do.
हिलाया डुलाया अपना पिटारा, इसमें छुपा है खजाना सारा। आओ आओ चलो देखिए जरा, तीसरी पोटली से निकला है क्या? तीसरी पोटली है रंगों से भरी, नीला सफेद खाकी और सतरंगी, हर रंग के तरह एक कहानी। लीजिए सुनिए बालवाड़ी के बच्चों की जुबानी। अबीर गुलाल और पिचकारी, सारा रिरा की धूम न्यारी। पिचकारी से रंग बरसाए, टोली में सब नाचे गाए। जात पात का भेद मिटाए, प्यार से चेहरा रंगते जाए। एकता की पहचान है होली, रंगों का त्योहार है होली।
पेड़े जो भेड़े से टेढ़े बने हैं तो हम क्या करें? जोर लगा के जान लगा के बोलना हिप हिप हुर्रे। मुसीबत से पंजा लड़ाने से हम ना डरे। जोर लगा के जान लगा के बोलना हिप हिप हुर्रे।
सफेद रंग है शुद्धता का प्रतीक, योग और डिसिप्लिन सादगी का मीत, शांति और सच्चिता योग में बसती है। मन की निर्मलता से तन की सुंदरता बढ़ती है। तो आइए यूकेजी एक बच्चों के साथ आप सब भी बोलिए, योग करें और स्वस्थ रहे, योग करें और स्वस्थ रहे। तो इसी मंत्र के साथ यूकेजी के बच्चे अपनी मनमोहक परफॉर्मेंस से आप सभी का दिल जीतने आ रहे हैं।
रंग भरो, योग करो, योग करो। तन मन में सौ रंग भरो, योग करो, योग करो। आज से आरंभ करो, योग करो, योग करो। आस्था
इस देश की मिट्टी जैसा ही खाकी का मुझ पर रंग चढ़ा। भारत माँ तेरी रक्षा में तेरा ये पहरेदार खड़ा।
खजाना खास क्या आप जानते हैं सच्ची अमीरी का राज? नींद, फेम और मनी हो या ना हो, बुद्धि, चतुराई और समझ का खजाना है जिनके पास, वही है दुनिया में सबसे अमीर और वही कहलाता है सरताजों का सरताज। अकबर के 9 रत्नों में एक था उनका सबसे खास, जिनके पास होते थे सभी सवालों के जवाब। बताइए बताइए कौन है वो? एनीनेसिस? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही, बीरबल। उन्हीं का दिलचस्प किस्सा लेके आ रहे हैं बालवाड़ी के होनहार।
रत्न थे अकबर के बीरबल, बेजोड़ रत्न अनमोल रत्न थे अकबर के बीरबल। सूझ बूझ के किस किससे कहानी, हंसी ठिठोली बुद्धिमानी, सूझबूझ के किससे कहानी, हंसी ठिठोली बुद्धिमानी। सरताज थे चालाकी के, सरताज थे चालाकी के।
अंबर के बीरबल, अंबर के बीरबल।
Long ago, Akbar the Great ruled India. He had 9 advisors in his court. They were also known as 9 jewels. Akbar's favorite jewel was Birbal. This made everyone very jealous of Birbal. So, one day, Akbar's barber, Ali, thought of a cunning plan. This time, my plan will not fail. I will throw Birbal out of the court, and then who will be the favorite of Shahenshah? I. Who else? A very good morning, Your Majesty. I shall give you a special massage and shave today.
What is so special about the morning, Ali?
Well, nothing is special about the morning, but my yesterday night was indeed a special one.
Why? What was so special about the last night?
Last night, I dreamt about your father, Alampana.
My father? You mean my dear Abu Jan? Tell me, how was he? Speak up, Ali. Did Abu Jan seem to be happy or not?
Well, he was okay.
Only okay? Not happy? Tell me clearly.
Well, honestly, he seemed to be very sad because he feels too lonely in heaven and wants a good company. He has no one to talk to.
Oh no! My dear Abu Jan is sad in heaven. What should I do?
I suggest you can send someone to heaven who can look after the late Shahenshah. But that person should be witty, clever, talkative, intelligent, and most important of all, he should be loyal to you.
Loyal? Why loyal?
Your Highness, heaven is so beautiful and full of comforts that any common man who will go there would never want to come back.
You are right. But where can I find such a witty as well as a loyal man?
Oh my lord! You see him every day, and I am sure he will be the best man for the job.
You mean I know him? Who is he?
He is none other than Birbal, Your Highness.
Birbal? You mean I should send Birbal to heaven?
Birbal would be the perfect choice. But how will he go?
Your Majesty, I know a Jadoo Baba who has the magical powers to send anyone to heaven.
Okay, then call for the Baba tomorrow. I shall meet him in the court after the royal dance.
Your attention please. Badshah Akbar is entering the court.
Let the dance begin.
Yalla habibi, yalla habibi. Nechufum konzaren sabuni. Sona janam men barmagu. Olma azal dulla gasri. Yalla habibi, nechufum ayolin hazoni. Olma janam men barmagu. Olma azal dulla gasri.
Dance. I want to award 1,000 gold usher fees to all the dancers.
Hail, Your Majesty, some Jadoo Baba is waiting to see you.
Send him in. Jadoo Baba, please come in the court. Ya Jum Tim Tam. Ya Jum Tim Tam. Ya Jum Tim Tam. Ya Jum Tim Tam.
Jadoo Baba, I have heard you can send anyone to heaven and bring him back.
Yes, by God's grace, I can send anyone to heaven and then bring him back. Okay, then let me see the best man to go. Birbal, will you go to heaven for my sake?
I, Your Majesty?
Yes, Birbal, I trust you the most, and you are ready too.
Your Majesty, it is my honor that you have chosen me. But if you are kind enough to grant me 2 favors.
Favors? What kind of favors?
First, I need a week to make preparations for the trip. And second, I should be buried alive so that I can reach faster.
Certainly, Birbal. You shall travel after 7 days from now. Jadoo Baba, please make the necessary arrangements.
Long live the Badshah! Long live the Badshah! Long live the Badshah! 7 days passed. Clever Birbal was all set for his trip. Ya June Ting Tang, Ya June Ting Tang. I take leave, Your Majesty.
My friend, I shall wait for you. And please give my regards to my dear Abu Jan.
Sure, I will. Khuda Hafiz, Your Majesty. Time is ticking out. Hurry up and lie down in the grave. Let us all move from here and let Birbal start his journey.
Long live Birbal! Long live Birbal! Long live Birbal!
Birbal had dug a secret tunnel which connected his grave to his private room. Birbal stayed in his private room for 2 months. After 2 months,
2 months have passed. Birbal still has not come back.
Your Majesty, Birbal must be enjoying in heaven. I don't think he will ever come back. Yes, Your Majesty, Jadoo Baba has sent so many people to heaven, but nobody has come back till date.
Oh, Birbal, why did you do this?
Long live Shahenshah! Long live Shahenshah!
Birbal? Birbal, my friend, I knew you would come back. Tell me, how is my Abu Jan?
Alampana, we had a great time together. We really enjoyed each other's company.
Does he still need anything?
Late Shahenshah is very fine,
But what? Birbal, speak up.
I was shocked to see him. His hair and beard have grown too long as there is no barber in heaven.
Oh my Abu Jan. In such a condition, call Ali the barber immediately.
Ali the barber,
please come in the court. Ali, be ready to go to heaven.
Your Majesty, not me. No, not me, Your Majesty. How can I go? I have so much work here.
Nothing doing, Ali. You have to go only for a week. Promise me that you will come back.
People came back, but this is for sure that I will never be able to come back. Ali, my friend, why do you worry? I will ask Sadhu Baba to bring you back with his magical powers. Not the least, listen everyone, we children have a job to be done. We make to the world bright and smart, and we can do it with a kind golden heart. Let us shake the pitara one last time and see the treasure, pure and divine. Oh look, the best treasure we can see, a golden heart for you and for me. If we are kind and good each day, we can change the world in a special way. This is our first small step today to make the world better place. Hooray!
अरे आओ आओ बाजी वाह, ले चले तुम्हें हम बाजी वाह। अरे कहाँ ले चले बाजी वाह, शादी शादी में बाजी वाह। अरे कहाँ शादी बाजी वाह, पंचायत होटल में बाजी वाह। शादी शादी का बुलावा है, सोने चांदी और पैसे का वहाँ खूब दिखावा है। दूल्हे के पापा जी पकड़े रखे, बेटी की वेडिंग को रॉयल सारा जयपुर याद रखे। चाहे खर्च हो डॉलर खूब, चर्चिस बैंड दिखे, सोशल मीडिया पे छाए रहे। अरे देखो देखो बाजी वाह, की मम्मी बाजी वाह, डायमंड की ज्वेलरी बाजी वाह, लाखों का लहंगा बाजी वाह, खूब ये मेकअप बाजी वाह, जो
बजी और ढोल बजा जब शादी में बारात सजी, विंटेज कारों की लाइन लगी मस्ती में बाराती। हे हो, हे हो।
अरे स्वीटी, देख मेरा मेकअप एंड ज्वेलरी ठीक है ना? अरे बुआ जी पूछो मत, एकदम स्टनिंग लग रही हो। लगूंगी क्यों नहीं? 10 lakhs की ज्वेलरी एंड 25,000 का मेकअप जो कराया है।
ब्यूटी पार्लर की मांग बड़ी सुंदर दिखने की होड़ लगी, ब्रांडेड कपड़ों में सजे हुए
मस्ती में बाराती। हे हो, हे हो।
पनीर की 12 वैरायटी और 8 किस्म की चाट, डेजर्ट्स इतने कि डायबिटीज भी कंफ्यूज हो जाए।
भाई डायबिटीज हो या फिर हो पेट खराब, मैं तो जम के खाऊंगा।
अरे दूध जलेबी मथुरा की, कहीं पाव भाजी है इतराई।
दिल्ली के छोले भटूरे सब, डोसा इडली चाय,
अरे चाट आगरा की देखो भाई टेस्ट में नंबर 1 आई।
शाबाशी और चूरमे का स्टॉल तुम्हें बुलाएगा,
और पिज्जा बर्गर पास्ता का स्वाद भूल न पाएगा।
अरे फूफा जी क्या हुआ, गुस्सा क्यों हो रही हो?
अरे भाई तुम हटो जरा, आखिर हम घर के बड़े दामाद हैं और देखो हमें तो कोई पूछ ही नहीं रहा।
सुनो भाई, हमारे फूफा जी के लिए स्पेशल टेबल लगाओ, चाहे वह एक स्पून ही खाएं और बाकी का खाना वेस्ट हो जाए, बट उनकी स्पेशल खातिरदारी करो।
शहनाई बजी और ढोल बजा जब शादी में बारात सजी, विंटेज कारों की लाइन लगी मस्ती में बाराती। हे हो, हे हो।
अरे जैसे ही वरमाला हुई, अरे जैसे ही वरमाला हुई, स्टॉल्स पे ही शुरू हुई।
दाल मिक्स वेज दही बड़ा, कोई रोटी के लिए खड़ा।
पेट भर गया अब खाई, पर आइसक्रीम नहीं खाई।
लेने पेस्ट्रीज और पतला बाहर, हाथ प्लेट की ओर बढ़ा।
पेट में बिल्कुल जगह नहीं, पर पेट तो भरते जाना है।
और वेस्ट हो गया खाना फिर भी हमको मौज बनाना है। पैसे का खेला खत्म हुआ, वेडिंग प्लानर को कैश मिला, फोटोग्राफर ब्यूटिशियन को पेमेंट मिला भारी। हे हो, हे हो। रॉयल वेडिंग दी एंड हुई, लड़की लड़के के संग चली, तोहफों से गाड़ी भर रहे, घर जाते बाराती, घर जाते बाराती, घर जाते बाराती। हे हो, हे हो, हे हो।
अरे भाई चलो, पैक
ये डब्बे बची हुई दाल और बाकी सारे बचे हुए खाने को डस्टबिन के पास रख दे, और नहीं तो कुत्ते ही खा लेंगे।
रोशन जी, इतनी देर हो गई वेट करते करते, कार कब आएगी?
आई एम सो टायर्ड। पर भाई साहब, कुछ भी कहो, शादी तो बहुत शानदार हुई।
आ जाओ, सब आ जाओ। अब कोई नहीं है, सब चले गए।
छुटकी देख, तुझे भूख लगी थी ना? आज हम बस्ती वालों के लिए भरपेट खाना है।
सच भैया, आज इतना खाऊंगी कि 2 दिन तक आपसे खाना नहीं मांगूंगी। बोला भैया, ऐसा कब तक चलेगा?
छुटकी, मुश्किलों से लड़ना ही हमारी किस्मत है। पर बहन, तू चिंता मत कर। ये है ना हमारा डस्टबिन ढाबा। डस्टबिन ढाबा जिंदाबाद। डस्टबिन ढाबा जिंदाबाद।
मुश्किलों के हमको न तोड़ मिले, मुश्किलों के हमको न तोड़ मिले, और किस्मत ने कहा बेटे भूखे नहीं रहना। हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले, हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले। छोड़ वीरे करे कौन गिले, छोड़ वीरे करे कौन गिले। हमने मांगे जो सपोर्ट तो सपोर्ट मिले, हमने मांगे जो सपोर्ट तो सपोर्ट मिले, और किस्मत ने कहा बेटे भूखे नहीं रहना। हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले, हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले। मुश्किलों के हमको न तोड़ मिले, मुश्किलों के हमको न तोड़ मिले, और किस्मत ने कहा बेटे भूखे नहीं रहना। हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले, हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले। छोड़ वीरे करे कौन गिले, हमने मांगे जो सपोर्ट तो सपोर्ट मिले, और किस्मत ने कहा बेटे भूखे नहीं रहना। हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले, हमको ठोकरों के ढाबे ऑन रोड मिले।
क्या हमने यह शादी मनाई या खेली होली पैसों की? भूल गए शादी की खुशियाँ, क्या थी ये होड़ दिखावे की?
शादी हो बिल्कुल सिंपल सी, लेन देन हो खुशियों का। लोग क्या कहेंगे इस डर से, क्यों इतना पैसा वेस्ट किया।
सादगी का भी एक पैकेज है हमारे पास। इसमें है ट्रेडिशंस और है रिश्तों का प्यार। कम खर्चे में मिलती है खुशियाँ अपार। पर साहब, क्या आप हैं इस पैकेज के लिए तैयार?
Every day is the same. I wake up and I feel empty. Before the sun is up, I search in the dumps. I think all day, is this normal? All my days, I lie on my bed. I am afraid I will never feel full again. Where can we go
for health, for food, and for hope.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I believe it's not too late. Together we can change the world. Lay the puzzle pieces out, find out what it's all about. Together we can change the world. Can't do it by myself, so I'm asking for your help. Together we can change the world. Silver friend Gazelian. And this is Ibrahim signing off till we meet next year, same time, same place. Before we say goodbye, please rise for the national anthem.